What's something people don't know about getting a PCO license? Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and guides on everything from career advice to life hacks. If you're looking to learn and grow, you're in the right place. Today we have an exciting video for you. So, you want to drive a private hire vehicle in London? Great choice. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps to get your PCO license, quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to be at least 21 years old and have held a full DVLA, Northern Ireland or EEA driving license for at least 3 years. Got that? Good. Now make sure your car meets the Transport for London TFL requirements. It should be no older than 10 years and must comply with emission standards. Simple enough, right? Next, you'll need to get a medical examination. You can do this with your GP or an approved medical professional. They'll check your overall health, eyesight, and any conditions that may affect your driving. It's crucial to be honest here. Safety first. Now, let's talk about the DBS check, a background check to ensure you're fit to drive passengers around. You can apply for this online through the TfL website. It usually takes a few weeks to process, so get it done early. Remember, no surprises here. After that, you'll need to complete a topographical skills assessment. This is a fancy way of saying you need to know your way around London. There are plenty of courses available to help you prepare for this test. Trust me, it's not as hard as it sounds. All right, we're getting there. Once you've got all your documents, you can fill in the PCO license application form. This can be done online or by post. Along with the form, you'll need to submit your driving license, medical certificate, DBS check, and topographical skills certificate. Don't forget to include the application fee, currently around £250. Make sure all your documents are in order to avoid any delays. Now, sit tight. The processing time can take up to 16 weeks. Use this time to familiarize yourself with the TfL guidelines and maybe even start practicing some routes. Once your license is approved, you'll receive a badge and license in the post. Congratulations, you're now officially a PCO licensed driver. Start looking for work with a private hire operator, or if you're feeling entrepreneurial, consider starting your own service. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, the quick and easy steps to get your PCO license. Thanks for watching. Good luck on your journey to becoming a private hire driver in London. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. We're always open to your suggestions. See you next time.